right, so we've made it to the Hana-Maui Resort, destination category for Hyatt, and really excited for this. Apparently we've been upgraded to some sort of ocean bungalow, even though we booked a basic room. There are 4 of us. They said it was no problem. We'll see what we get.
Stopped and checked in briefly and then ran to the black sand beaches. Now we're back to check in the room.
It's so darling. I love it.
That's cute.
It doesn't feel like any other Hyatt that we've been to. It really is unique to the area, and I love that.
During our adventure taking the road to Hana, we were lucky enough to spend one night at the Hana Resort by Hyatt. The resort is part of Hyatt's Destination Hotels collection. It is designed to capture the authentic spirit of Hana, blending aloha culture with natural beauty. The resort sits on 70 acres of lush grounds right at the heart of Hana. It offers accommodations that range from oceanfront bungalows with sweeping Pacific views to spacious villas with full kitchens. We were blown away by how peaceful and serene this resort is. It truly is a place where you can slow down and take a vacation from your vacation. With only 66 rooms on this expansive property, everything is spread out and never felt crowded. There are numerous amenities, including 2 pools, a full spa, fitness center and yoga pavilion, 3-hole pitch and putt golf course, tennis courts, baseball diamond, and free bike rentals. If your intention is to explore off-resort, it is a short drive to Waianapanapa State Park, where you can see a spectacular black sand beach. Or you can venture 30 minutes south past Hana to hike the famous PPY Trail and see Waimoku Falls. Shortly after checking in, the friendly staff loaded us up on a large golf cart and drove us to our room.
All right, we're here at our oceanfront bungalow, 407. So it's darling. We just got in here. We have a king bed, plenty of extra storage. We requested a rollaway for this one. He claimed it as his and says it's very comfy. I'm loving this room because it has table, got sink, mini fridge, all of that right here, so we can actually kind of hang out. This is a pull-out sleeper sofa. And then a giant lanai overlooking the beautiful ocean. The pool is right up there, which is I think where we're headed, but so pretty. And then half of this is actually the bathroom, which is kind of nuts. It connects over there, but I haven't unlocked it yet, so come on. It's half of the entire space, so giant, wow, it just keeps going, okay. Giant tub, I'm seeing this for the first time too. Got a shower. I've heard that these products are really nice. They're locally made. I gotta say, I really appreciate it when they have a toilet separate from the shower. Little toilet right there. And then, unlocking.
Lots of drawer space.
Yeah, plenty of hangout space. So, pretty sweet. Nice little Globalist upgrade. That's great. I'm ready to go to the pool though and have a drink. They just dropped us off. Go ahead, check it out.
All right.
Pull out.
Let's pull this out first. Let's read the card. I can't read that handwriting.
Oh, that's because it's in Hawaiian. Happy birthday and many more. Enjoy your stay with your family. Aw, cute. All right, what'd you get, buddy?
I got some Maui Gourmet Foods like trail mix. I also got a Hawaiian fruit paste.
Doesn't look right.
Shortbread. with Hawaiian fruits, original granola bar, a chocolate chip granola bar, and a mango ginger granola bar.
Snacks, awesome. Ooh, shortbreads, I love those. That was so thoughtful.
Yeah.
Very cool. Just a drink. What'd you get?
Summer spritzer. I think it's Grey Goose, watermelon basil, vodka with Saint Germain, which is always a favorite, and some soda water. And
Tell me when it's like 45, then I'm gonna start on the
yeah, I could drink like up to 2 pictures of this probably. $4,000 later, and I'm very drunk, but very happy. Very mom.
My goal is to get one shiny.
Like refreshing.
We only spent one night here at the Hana Resort, but could easily have stayed longer. The calm and relaxing feeling of this resort really encourages you to slow down, listen to the ocean, and take in the moment. At the time of booking, this was considered a Category 7 Hyatt, and we ended up spending 35,000 points for our stay. As Hyatt Globalists, we did receive a nice upgrade to an ocean view bungalow and received free breakfast the following morning. Although the Hana Resort has a fantastic restaurant on property, we opted to take a 5-minute walk to a group of food trucks that were right next door for dinner.
I need my spicy sauce.
What you got?
Coconut crisp and
Hey,
Hana-Maui.
nice words. Food truck time. Food truck time. Julian, bring over your drunken noodles. We want to see them. All right, Grayson, how is this?
Things I've tried are very good.
Is it
Crispy pork belly, coconut encrusted mahi, and what, green papaya salad?
That's right.
Oh, Julian, what you got? Show me.
I got some noodles with
Drunken noodles?
drunken noodles with some sort of meat. I think it's beef and some cabbage.
Can you try a bite and tell me what you think?
Sure. We got these at a food truck really close by.
Ooh, we got the thumbs up.
Alright, I'm gonna try a bite.
Me?
Yeah.
So.
Sharon's caring.
No way you're finishing all that.
All right, so I ordered the vegetable frittata with potatoes. It has like a little bit of goat cheese. I'm pretty excited for that. I believe you and Grayson got the steak and eggs. And Julian got French toast, which looks amazing. So part of the Globalist breakfast that's included here is one entree and then a non-alcoholic drink and then coffee or tea.
Looks like they have bicycles that you can check out here. Pretty awesome. Go for a little bike ride through Hana. Just sign up here. like there's a pitch and putt, maybe? I don't know.
We'll find out.
Tennis? Exercise paradise.
Watch out, Mike.
Hey, girl, you might need to slide down. This is how we're eating.
Some of
Pray. You're making it so I can't even post things. Come on now.
All right. This is so lovely and dear. Look at how darling my
Bleep bloopers. And one more time.
Oh man, look at my majestic food. It's so beautiful and well crafted.
Amazing.